Hey guys, Dr. Brown here, and tonight we're looking at conic sections for you pre-calculus students. I know some of you guys are working with circles and cones and ellipses and all of those things. So we have a problem here. We have endpoints on a diameter. Keep in mind, it's saying that's the diameter of a circle. So there's a circle with this is a diameter. And they want us to come up with what's the equation, the standard equation for the circle that this represents. Now you know, let's write it here. We've got x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, and that equals the radius squared, where h and k are the location of the center of that particular circle. So let's figure out where h and k are, and we can do that just by doing the midpoint calculation here. So if I want to know say the average x here, the midpoint of x, it would be the -6, which is the x value here, plus x value there, plus 0 divided by 2, it gives me a -3. The average y value then would be 0, which is the y value here, minus 2 divided by 2, so it's -2 divided by 2, so -1. And that makes sense. We're along the axis 6 units here, half that's 3, so -3. I'm here down 2 units just on the axis, so half of that is -1. So h and k then, h is -3, y is -1. Okay? So what does that do for me here? I have x minus h. And what is h? -3. Let's put it in a squared, plus y minus k. That's a k, not a y. K is -1. And that's squared, and that equals r squared. Okay, so minus a minus is plus, so x plus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals r squared. Now we have two different values for x and y here, so let's just choose one of them. Let's just use this group right here. So x is -6 plus 3 squared plus y was 0 plus 1 squared, and that equals the radius squared. -6 plus 3 gives me a -3. -3 squared is 9, plus 1 squared is 1, and that equals r squared, and that equals 10. 10 equals r squared. So our equation then for this particular circle would be x plus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared, and that equals r squared equals 10. So the radius obviously of my circle is square root of 10. So hey, what do you think about that? Pretty simple problem. And that, my friend, is the equation for that circle with endpoints -6, 0 and 0, -2. Why are we doing this? Together we're trying to build a better tomorrow and do that through math. That's all for now. Keep studying, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks.